on digital electronics. In this class, we are going to see about how to solve the 4-variable Karnaugh map and its basic techniques. So usually a 4-variable Karnaugh map problem will look like this. That is, they will give usually some numbers. Everyone knows this, but what is the real intention is, instead of that, you have to look it as equations. This is used for solving some task. For practice purpose, we are taking it as numbers and we are filling and solving. But usually these are some problem statements to a particular condition. That first I will tell what is the meaning of these numbers. Then I will go into how to solve this technique. So first let us take the 3 variables for understanding. One is A, B, C. Instead of taking it as A, B and C, you can take it as tea, coffee and milk, for example. So this can be like this. So instead of seeing as ABC, I can see something like beverage vending machines. So when no buttons are pressed means my output, I will not get anything. So at that time the output will be 0. If I get milk button means I will get the product. If I get coffee means I will get that product, and if I press T also I will get the proportionate product. For example, if a user is pressing 2 at a time, then what happen means nothing will come. Similarly, these possibilities I give 0. At a time, 1 button should be pressed. Other than that, if any 2 buttons got pressed or 3 buttons got pressed means, then I will not get any product. So now you can see how this function will be. So what are the contributing factors you can see here. So 1 is contributing. So I can write it as sigma m of 1, 2, and this is 4. So this is how the problem is formatted. So by using this only, we have to do Karnaugh map and you have to get one equation. And based on that equation, if you draw a circuit diagram means that circuit will work as a beverage vending machine. This is how the circuits are designed usually. So for that, the preliminary practice, we are going with the direct these numbers. Everyone are thinking that these are numbers directly. We have to fill the Karnaugh map. Some equations we will write. That's all. The purpose is closed. Not like that. These numbers are really representing some problem statement in our real-time life. And for that, we are going to design a circuit, and that circuit is going to serve as some useful machines or products or whatever may be in our day-to-day life. Everything like washing machine, fridge, fan, everything will be based on this type of circuit analysis only. That is what the next step of digital electronics is, very large scale integration. There we are going to design some complicated circuits which we are using in our day-to-day life, like fridge, washing machine, everything. So this is the base for that. Based on that only you have to study this subject. So here we are using some numbers. So hereafter, when you are seeing these numbers, don't look it as simply as 0, 1, 2, 4, something, the problem is there. We have to put 1 here and we have to solve one equation, come that's all 10 marks. Not like that. These are representation of real-time problem statements. And these are used for what I am going to do now is we are going to design some circuits useful for our real-time example. That problem statement, and based on that we are going circuit design that we will see in the next lecture series. Now here the concept is 4-variable Karnaugh map. So before going into this, how to select the type of Karnaugh map. So here we are using one formula. Capital N is less than or equal to 2 power n. First, you need to check what is the maximum number in the given series. Here, the maximum number is 15. So what you have to do is you need to, instead of capital N, you need to substitute 15 here. So 15 is less than or equal to 2 power n. This is the formula. This n, you have to do it in a trial and error basis. First, you need to put 2 square. Raise the powers. So 2 square directly I will put. So 2 square means what? You will get 4. So 15 is less than or equal to 4. This condition is not satisfied. So it will not work. So next, raise the power of 3. So 15 is less than or equal to 2 to the power 3 is 8. That is also not satisfying. So we will not use that. Finally, I am increasing the power as 2 to the power 4. So 15 is less than or equal to 16. Yes, it is matching. So here the number, what number you are putting, that will be the type of the Karnaugh map. This is the simple methodology. Otherwise, when you are going for gate examination, this trial and error methods will consume time. Instead of that, you can write directly 8421. So 1 1, if you put, you can write 2 plus 1 3. So in the range of 0 to 3, whatever, if the number series is in between 0 and 3 means, then you can use two variable Karnaugh map. Similarly, if I put 1 1 1, then what number you will get? 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 7. So if the number is in the range of 0 to 7, the minimum number should be 0, maximum number should be 7, then it will be a three variable Karnaugh map you need to use. Next 1 1 1 1, so 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. So if the number is within the span of 0 to 15 means, directly you can use four variable Karnaugh map. On seeing that, you can understand. So in the range of 0 to 15, final number is 15 means four variable, and 7 means less than 7 or equal to 7 means it will be three variable, and less than or equal to 3 means that will be a two variable kmap. So on seeing the number itself, you should identify in competitive exams, since if you use this formula means this will be time consuming. Instead of that, on seeing the numbers itself, okay, 15 is there, directly you have to use four variable kmap. If it is 7 means you have to use three variable. 2 means you have to use, okay, 0 to 3 range. So you have to use two variable. Like that, you have to practice to understand the Karnaugh map in a direct manner. And in the examination, you can use formulas. That is the traditional method. Okay, for while practicing for gate examination, especially this digital electronics is used in gate examinations. Many question will come as a 15 marks gate examination you will get from digital electronics subject. So at that time, many mind tricky questions are there. By means of direct observations, you can able to answer in a very quick form. And one more technical question is why these numbers are reversed. In the previous video, I explained clearly. So actually 0, 1, this is not 3, this is 2 only, but it is transformed into different representation. That is 2 is written as 3. That's all. That is called gray coding technique. So here we are using gray coding technique. So question is, in Karnaugh map, we are using dash form of representation. Like that they may ask, you have to write it as gray code. Since 0, 1 is original form, 3 and 2 are gray coding form of representation. In that 2 is written as 3 and 3 will be represented as 2. Similarly, 4, 5 is not disturbed. 6, 7 is transformed version. Similarly, here 8 will come, but 8 is transformed as 12. 9 is transformed as 13. And remaining things are like that. So these are all gray coding representation. These are the, actually we are not shuffling any numbers. 0, 1, everyone are thinking that, everyone are teaching like that also. 0, 1, you have to write here 2 and then 3. Everyone are thinking that is a hard and fast rule. But that is actually not a rule. Here we are writing 0, 1, 2, 3 only, but 2 is represented as 3 in the form of gray coding. We are following gray coding technique here. Why we are following gray code, and elaborate answers will be available in a one step behind. Already one kmap basic video is uploaded. You can go and watch there. More information will be available. After that, you come here, you can able to understand whatever I am telling. So now how to solve this Karnaugh map? Let us check. So what are all the numbers available here? 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. These are which are the numbers contributing here for certain outputs. So it is providing 1. So actually this M is called as what? Min terms. So min term means what? What is the minimum number of terms useful for contributing a circuit, contributed in the design of circuit or equation. So here we are in this form is of two types. Here I will tell you. One is called sum of product. Usually default is called sum of product. This I will clarify while writing the answer of the above equation. So you have to take the thing called product. So which gate is correspond to product? AND gate. Everyone knows this. So A, B and Y. If I take means, as per the AND logic, which both inputs are high. That means one input low, both are low. One is low, another one is high. Another one is high, another one is low. In all such scenarios, output will be what? 0. This is called AND operation. Whenever both A and B are high, here itself the word is come, A and B. That is why A and B, 1 and this is also 1. Both are 1 means, that is why the gate is called as AND gate. So A and B are high means you will get 1. So here when you visualize means these are major, 0 are major in number, 1 is minor in number. So this is going to contribute the equation. Whenever one only, circuit will be functioning. Remaining all our circuit will be off condition. So here also you just realize that here all zeros are omitted. Only my high condition will be functional. So that's why these are in this case, which is minor, we can see one is minor. That is why we are calling, otherwise this is also called as what? Midterm. That's why this circuit is sum of product means what are all the numbers I am giving here. These are producing outputs. So what are all the numbers? 0 is present here, so I will put 1 here. 1 is present here, 1. 2 is present here, 1. And then 4. And then 5, see the cell and then mark. 6th one is 6th cell. 7th one is 7th cell. And then 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Okay, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So like this. Why I am mapping here means in order to avoid confusion. When you are well trained means you can directly mark the numbers here. But when you are watching the video for the very first time, always have the practice that one cell should contain all the cell numbers and other cell you have to map the corresponding terms. Then for the first time users, unnecessary confusions will be avoided. I will tell what are all the things to be done hereafter. Okay, so now what I am doing is fine. So now after doing this, okay, this number is also deleted. Once again I will map 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, and then 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So after doing this, what I have to do, first you need to check either 8 combinations are available. 8 numbers are joined together, can be joined together to form a octet. In Karnaugh map, 3 possibilities are available. Joining of 8 number of ones. Not possible means then you have to check 4 number of ones. And then you have to go to 2 number of ones. And then you have to form single number of 1. This is the protocol. Now you can check if corner in the corner, either in the left corner or top corner, any number of ones are available means you have to be careful. You have to watch the opposite corner also. This is the main technique everyone are missing. First do that step and then we will do for internal process. First, if corner are available means parallelly you can check the numbers here also. That is called mirroring effect. This one can be grouped. This one and this one can be grouped. This one and this one can be grouped. This one and this one can be grouped. Before grouping this number, know the hierarchy. 8 is 1, 0, 0, 0. And 10, what is the equivalent of 10? 1, 0, 1, 0. So if you check this means these two are same, these two are same, these two are same. Only one term is varying. So I can form a group. As per a Karnaugh map, each and every variable which you are combining should vary by only 1 point only. Other point, if they are varying 2 positions or 3 positions means you should not combine. So as per this 8 and 10, 12 and 14, 4 and 6, 0 and 2. You can compare individually. It will vary by only one position only. So first what I am doing is I am forming a group like this. Okay, so I am just forming a group. Scribbling is there, please adjust. So here one forming one group like this. So this is called as what? How many number of group is formed now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is called as what? Joining of 8 number of ones. That is the first group. That group is called as what? Octet. That group is called octet. That is joining of 8 ones. Next, I need to check whether any 8 number of ones are available, not available. So I next formation is I need to check quad. Quad means 4 number of 1. You can check here this one and this one are free. So put a point here. So this one correspond to next one, equal number of contribution. 1 to 1, 1 to 1. So here these two ones I can form another group like this. So this is 4 number mapping, that is called as what? Quad. Similarly, what I can do here, 2 ones are there. Then you have to check this one can be joined with this one and this one can be joined with this one. So what I can do is I can form another group like this. So what I can do, free ones can be combined with the neighboring groups. So this process is called as what? Already one group is available. In that I am combining unique terms. So that is called as what? Overlapping technique. That is called as overlapping. So now already octet is formed. I can call this as quad number 2 and this as quad number 1. Okay, for better understanding. Now my process is over. Now what I am going to do is I am going to write the equation for this. How to write the equation? Let us check. So I will pick object so that right. Now what I am doing is simple practice is first I will take different color. First with here you can see the groups are formed. Eight number of octets are formed. Now, so what I am doing, I am just forming the group like this. This cell and this cell. So while drawing you use pencils. Okay, then only it will be. Otherwise the process will be confused. So use pencil first. Don't check other groups. First take the octet combination. So I am writing the answer for octet first. For octet, I am taking contributing row and contributing columns. What are the corresponding rows and corresponding column? Here you can check this 0, 4, 12, 8, 2, 6, 14, 10. Corresponding rows are what? A bar, B bar, A bar, B, AB and AB bar. All the 4 rows are covering by this rows, by the corresponding rows. So what I am doing is I should not write anything since each and everything will be cancelled each other. Next, I need to check out corresponding columns. What are the corresponding columns? C bar, D bar, and C D bar. These two things. Okay, these are covering. So I need to write here C bar, D bar, and C D bar. Now, what is the net result? Here D bar is common. Here also D bar is coming. Here also D bar is coming. So D bar will be common, and C bar and C will cancel each other. So the net answer will be for the octet is what? D bar. So I can write octet answer is what? D bar. This is the first answer. Similarly, you need to write the answer for quad 1. So for quad 1, while doing this, what you have to do? You take in pencil you are writing means you forget this group first of all. Okay, how to do that means just you can draw another table or just erase these terms. Now the group is free. Now what you have to do is I need to check only this table. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 6, 7, 14, 15. Okay, correspondingly you mirror. Mirror means just is corresponding tables. So I am just forming a group here. This is my quad. This is what? This is called quad 1. Okay, so quad 1 answer I need to write. So one is row and another one is column. So what are all the corresponding row? Corresponding row will be what? These two rows. This 7 corresponds to A bar B, 7 and 6. 15 and 14 corresponds to AB. So I need to write that 2 rows. If all 4 rows are covering means you should not write. All columns are covering also you should not write. But here only 2 rows are in action. So you need to write the corresponding contributing rows A bar B and AB. So what I am writing here? A bar B and AB. Similarly, corresponding column also I have to take. What are all the corresponding columns? CD and CD bar. So I can write CD and CD bar. Now you can check which are all equal. B is equal. Here also B, here also B. So answer is B. And here also C, here also C. Answer is C. Here A bar and A get cancelled. D and D bar get cancelled. So quad 1 answer will be what? BC. So that I need to write here. BC. Okay, I think understandable. Next, quad 2 answer I need to write. Quad 2. Also, I will tell you how to check it in the online tool so that you can cross check your answer whether we are doing correct or not. Sometimes oversight, someone may do mistakes. So you can check yourself. Instead of everything, staff will not, they may give assignment, but always have a practice. You have to take your own numbers. You can take some problem statements from the internet and you can solve that and you can check yourself using online tools. That methodology is available that I will explain. Okay. Then quad 2 is nothing but what? 0, 1, 4, 5. So I will write like this 0, 1, 4, 5. This one. This is quad. So for this also I have to write corresponding row and corresponding column. Corresponding row will be what? A bar, B bar, A bar, B. So I will write here A bar, B bar and A bar, B. Similarly, corresponding contributing columns C bar, D bar and C bar, D. So I can write C bar, D bar and C bar, D. So what is the net result? Here also A bar, here also A bar, both are common. So A bar will be the answer. B bar and B cancel. Here C bar and C bar are common. I will take D bar and D will be cancelled. So answer is what? A bar, C bar. A bar, C bar. So finally I will get this all. That's all now. So I will get three things. One is from quad, another one is octet, another one is quad 1 and another one is quad 2. So final answer will be here. You can check function is given as f. So final answer should be written as f is equal to. So here they are giving y means you have to give y is equal to. Z means z is equal to. This is called function. That function will be your answer. So f is equal to what is the first answer? Octet answer. That is d bar plus what is the answer of quad 1? bc. So that will be my second answer. And finally, what is the answer of quad 2? A bar, C bar. So that is nothing but my third answer, A bar, C bar. So this is the final answer of your problem. How the final Karnaugh map is reduced like this. This minimization of function. If I draw this as a circuit means that circuit will address some the problem statement. For what this purpose of this circuit that will be solved here. That we will discuss in a separate class, scenario based question. Now I will tell you how to cross verify this. In survey, I am doing one assignment. It is correct or not, I don't know. Means you can check yourself by using online tool that I will explain you now. So here I will give you this. So in many tools are available. SR University students will know that how to check in online. So meanwhile, those who are following also can make use of this tool. This is one of the best tool in practice. So I think I can reshare it. Since I am sharing only the tab, I will reshare it once again. Please wait. So I will share this once again, entire screen, so that you can also make use of this. So share. So now I think it is visible. You can check this Karnaugh map solver. Just to go to Google and type Karnaugh map solver, you will get this madformath.com. That is the name of the website. You can note down. And here you need to feed the numbers. What are the numbers we are giving here? You need to feed here 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Already 0 is marked as 1. This is default. 0, 1, 2. So 1 means if I click means 1 will come here. 0, 1, 2, 3 will not come. Okay, 3 I am double click means it will gone. So 0, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. That I need to map here. So 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and then 8. What is the next number? 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. So 8, 10 already marked. 12, 14, 15. If I put means what it is giving D bar, A bar, C bar plus BC. I will tick mark that for better understanding. You can see here what is the answer. So first answer is what? D bar. Okay, this I will check now. So this is D bar and then BC. Okay, so BC is coming and then A bar, C bar is also coming. This is how you can cross check your answers. So this is also forming. See here octet and then quad and then another quad. Like that you can recheck your answers, but this is not granted. Sometimes this is algorithm, so it may give some wrong answers also. So better use your logical screening skills and then first solve the answer. Whatever maybe you can solve and then you have to verify whether it is correct or not. If not correct means you can go there and check where you did the mistake. Like that, since in the classroom 60 minutes or 1 hour, whatever may be your classroom timing, it is not possible to check each and everyone individually. So what they are telling, learn the skills and you have to take some problem by practice and solve it by yourself. Answer is right or wrong, you can check by yourself. If answer are coming wrong means don't copy from here, go to your staff or faculty and ask them why this problem is wrong. They will teach you in a better manner. So practice only. This is a 10 mark question. Okay, in any university, this will be a 10 mark question. So you have to be very careful while designing this problem. Okay, I think it is understandable. So in the next video series, I am going to, I will teach you some problem based concept. I will take one real time example and I will teach you how to solve that problem. Okay, I think hope it is understandable. This lecture series will continue for entire digital electronics subject. So what are all the complicated tasks like tabulation method or 5 variable Karnaugh map that will be loaded in the next video series. So this will be used for a pre-learning by our SR University students. When they are coming to class, they will pre-watch this video and come inside so that they can able to get the idea whatever I am teaching live. So those who are watching in the online view, they can comment in my channel so that if any doubts or any clarification means I will suitably resolve within whenever. So make this channel useful and learn in a very perspective and reasonable manner. This is the ultimate aim why we are creating this channel. Okay, good luck. Wish you all the best. I will leave now. We will see in the next video series. Okay, thank you very much.